Hi and welcome. I had some requests on how to export a FreeCAD model to Blender, and this is how you can do it. This is the part that we created in the previous tutorial, but I modified the sketch a bit. Here you can see it, I increased the size of the edges. This one is 28mm now, and I adjusted the others as well, a size that is also good for printing. Perhaps I will also do a printing tutorial for FreeCAD. If you like, let me know in the comments. And now close this and select the body, the part that we created. And there's a very simple way to export it. With the body selected, you go to File, Export, and then you can see we have quite a few file types that we can export to. And what we can use to import it into Blender is the STL format, and also others like Collider, the DAE extension, or the wavefront, the OBJ. I decided to use here the STL format, for which I got pretty good results. I press Save, and you see that's a pretty simple and straightforward way. What you can do as well is to switch the workbench to the mesh design, and then you have the option here in the toolbar Meshes, Create Mesh from Shape. And the advantage is, compared to the first way, that is more simple, that you have more control, more options for the generation of the geometry of the mesh. You can set the fineness of the tessellation, or if you want to go for quads instead of triangles, or the deviation of the surface. I don't go into detail here, just keep in mind that you have more options. When you press OK, the mesh is created for the selected part. Here you can see the meshed body. And for this you can select Export Mesh, and then you have again these options to set the export type. Okay, but for this simple object I go with the STL that we exported and open Blender. This is Blender 2.91, an experimental version, but you can use Blender 2.8 or 2.90 as well. I set the units for the length to millimeters instead of meters, because in FreeCAD we also used millimeters. To import the STL, an add-on has to be activated, but don't worry, this comes with Blender, this is integrated, but I think it is activated by default. It is called Import Export STL Format. So the only thing we have to do to import the STL that we exported is to go to File, Import STL, then select the file from the directory to which we exported, and here is a scene unit checkbox, and my hope was that I selected and millimeters were used, because I used millimeters here in the scene and in FreeCAD as well. But look at this, what happens when I import it now. We get a nice giant model. So let's have a look at the length of an edge. For example, this one here. I switch to edge selection and select it. Then enable here in the overlays the edge length for the measurement. And here you see it is 1000 times too big. Seems like it is interpreted as meters. Okay, now you could scale this down 1000 times, but I like to remove it and import it again and use the scale feature in the importer. So I set the scale factor to 0.001. Press again Import STL, now it is tiny, but we can focus it by pressing the period key on the numpad. And that looks better. Let's again select the edge here, and now you see it is 28mm. Okay, now the scaling is alright, I disable the measurement overlays again. And if you want to continue modeling now, for example adding bevels or something like that, it's perhaps a good idea to convert triangles to quads where possible. But I found out another drawback. I select these edges and then add bevels by pressing Ctrl and B. And we have these edges here, and this happens because we have duplicated vertices. I don't know where it happened during import or export, but there's a simple way to work around this. I undo the bevel, then I select all, press F3 and search for Merge by Distance. The setting 0.1mm is alright for the merge distance. And then I select the edges again and bevel, and then you see you get these nice bevels that you expected. Okay, that's what I wanted to point out for bringing a mesh from FreeCAD to Blender. The next one is about improving the mesh in Blender, like adding geometry, materials, stuff that is perhaps a bit more easy to do in Blender than in FreeCAD, and I also want to show you some new features of my free JMeshTools add-on. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, also hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one here on Jayanam.